Hello everybody! I'm your host the Beaver Builder. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm very excited to release the first gaming episode ever of Planet Zoo. And I want to share my experience of playing this game with all of you guys. So for those who don't know, Planet Zoo is a game that allows you to build a zoo of your own dream. You can design and build the buildings there, you can raise a lot of animals, and you can also decorate tons of stuff up to your desire. I've been playing this game for quite a while now, and I've been practicing a lot until I get the hang of it and finally get to do everything well by myself. So at the moment, as you can see, that I'm trying to build the North American beaver and flamingo habitat under a very large waterfall. And I'm really impressed of how it finally turns out at the end with all the landscape and stuff itself, because I made it myself, so I gotta love it. Haha. Talking about the beavers, let me give you a little bit of detail. They are my favorite animals. They are the symbol of engineering, and they are really hard worker, and they're also cute. The skill of them is about making the dam. The dam and lodge are their homes, and they are really good at making it. They also play the most important part in helping the ecosystem surrounding the area as well. This is why I really love the beavers, that they are engineered in the animal kingdom and in the wildlife. So this habitat, I'm going to put flamingo together with the beaver too. The reason why? Because this one habitat, as you can see here, it's pretty damn huge, that the only beaver itself would not be enough. The guests who visit our zoo would also not satisfying to see only beaver living in the habitat itself, because they don't like seeing animals from afar. So I've been thinking that I will add something more than just a beaver in this habitat. So flamingo would be a nice idea, because they also like to swim, and they are perfectly matched with the landscape like waterfall, trees, the water, and everything in it. And at the end, as you know, that it just like what I expected to see. And stick with me until the end until you see it. This video though is about only the speed build of how I make the habitat happen for them, and at the end there will be animation to show the whole habitat. And I'm not going to talk through all the way to the end there, because it's going to be boring and I'll be sore throat in the middle of the way, and I don't even normally talk that much. So I'll put down some relaxing and calm music background attached with this video, and we'll meet again in the animal section, fun fact section. Yes, enjoy the video. Bye guys. Pause. It's time for the animals' fun facts. We are looking at the beavers. Did you know that beaver bring small trees and branches through canals through the water to the stream where they are building their own home? Their home is called lodge that can have several underwater entrances to keep out the predators. So the inside of the lodge is where they live, and also the place where they raise their youngsters. The living area is well insulated by the dam and the surrounding water, so it means that the temperature is considerably warmer on the inside than the outside. Beavers are hard workers that they also work during at night, even daytimes. They are generally beneficial to the environment. They are the engineer in creating habitats for many aquatic organisms and creatures as well, by maintaining the water table in the appropriate level and controlling the flood and many natural hazards by their own dam. So this is the end of the animal fun fact. We are going to move on to our gameplay. Thank you. So after we have finished the exterior side so far, I think that I'm going to work on the interior where people can come here and see the beaver by their own eyes under the waterfall. So this is really impressive because underneath the water you can see the beaver swimming and diving to catch some food and having fun underneath the water. So I'm going to decorate this part a little bit by making the wall a little bit higher, and I'm going to edit some of the missing part as well as making a lot of decoration like adding some plants and trees, and we are also going to put some small exhibit on the inside too. So let's just find out how it will look like. So, we are 95% done so far. All I have to do now is just some little fixing the error in the habitat. And then, for the final step is going to be the fun part. We are going to see the animation of the whole habitat itself from the exterior to the interior. So, have fun and enjoy the animation, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more video at the next time. I'll see you later. Goodbye.